only made one edible Play-Doh recipe before, but this one we're going to be making it with marshmallows and powdered sugar instead of frosting and powdered sugar. So today we're going to be putting each one to the test and seeing which one we like better. And if you're new to our show, hi, I'm Riley, I'm Reese, and I'm Grace. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. For more videos in the future, make sure to hit that notification bell. Now on to the video. And the things you'll be needing to make edible Play-Doh are marshmallows, powdered sugar, food coloring, and a glass bowl and one microwave oven. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first step, if you're using jumbo marshmallows, you're going to want to put in at least 6 marshmallows into your bowl. And if you're using smaller marshmallows, you're going to want to use at least 12 to 14. And make sure you put something down because this craft is going to get messy. Now we're going to start by putting all of our marshmallows in our bowls. I'm doing 7 today. 12, 13, 14. The next step is to microwave your marshmallows. Make sure your marshmallows are in a microwave safe bowl so that your bowl doesn't get ruined. You're going to set it for 30 seconds. And also we did try it on the stovetop and it does not work, so make sure you use your microwave. The next step is to mix up all your marshmallows and then put in your food coloring. Now we're going to add our food coloring. Keep in mind this craft is really sticky, so be prepared to get your hands messy. Alright guys, once your marshmallows become a thinner consistency like this, you're going to put them aside and grab your powdered sugar. And then you're going to dump it all over your parchment paper. You're going to need a lot of powdered sugar. Then you're going to take your bowl and you're going to drip it right on top of it. So now I'm going to put it back on top of it. And then you're just going to start kneading it with your hands. Give me powdered sugar, Mommy. Give me more. Give me, Mommy, I need it. Now mine's starting to come together when it starts to unstick from your hands. It'll take about 15 to 20 minutes to get this to the right consistency. That's for sure. Off one hand and the next thing you know it's on the other one. Alright guys, so we had to knead this for about 20 minutes, and now we're going to do the taste test. 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, out of both of the edible Play-Dohs we made, which one do you like better? Well, I think that this one tastes better, and I think that the other one was easier to make and wasn't as messy.
but I think that they both were really fun, but I'm gonna have to go with the old one.
Okay, so you mean the one with cake frosting?
Yeah.
What about you, Reese?
I like this one better because it tastes like marshmallows. If you want to see us make the edible Play-Doh with cake frosting, then we'll leave that in the description box below. Bye!